All right, next drill we're gonna go over is the banded hip mobilizations. So this is kind of a 2-for-1. We have 2 different versions of this. This is a great one if you're having trouble getting to the bottom of a squat and you're getting some sort of pinching in the hip, or you just feel like you can't get your chest up, and you feel like you're just bending over forward when you squat. So give this one a try. So we're gonna start with the same band here. For this one, the green band is good. Sometimes you might even need a heavier band to get a little bit more of a stretch here. We're going to start first with the lateral. So simply come out as far as you can. Even in this position here, if you want to stick here and you feel a good stretch, that's fine. If you can rock back into your squat position that you're going to be in, even better. Then, if you want to do a pigeon position and then rock back, you get an even better stretch for the lateral hip here. All 3 of those are good. We're also going to try a separate one here, which is pulling the hip posteriorly. So when the hip joint moves, if you're pulling that femur back, it's going to move a little bit better on that hip joint. So from here, same thing. You can get in squat position and then just rock back a little bit like that. And then you can also do the pigeon position there. Essentially, both of them are just distracting that hip joint, giving you a little bit more motion. Try it?
I'm definitely going once.
All right. Have you tried these before?
I'll start. I watched the mobility one.
Yeah.
But I haven't done the pigeon one.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, I definitely need some room that way.
So we're starting with the lateral banded distraction. So Minnie's in a similar position that she would be as if she was squatting, feet are about hip width apart, and she's rocking back into what would be her full depth squat position. The band is just providing a little bit of a stretch to that joint, allowing her to get back a little further and stretching out that hip capsule, preparing to squat. This is another one where you want to rock back and forth, spend about 2 minutes for this. You can change up the positions. Maybe it's a pigeon stretch, or maybe it's the position here. With this, you're getting a little more external rotation. You're getting a pigeon position. Feel the stretch time?
Yeah, this one's tough.
Yeah.
It's good.
Good. So if you're someone who does the pigeon a lot and you feel like you can't get enough of the stretch, the band is really good to add in there.
Like I'm usually limited in internal rotation.
Okay. Okay.
So is there a specific one you could do for that?
You can. The way to do internal rotation here is if you actually just go straight back into a regular squat like this, there's a degree of natural internal rotation of your hip moving on your femur that you don't even have to twist it out like this at all. So if you just leave your feet straight, you actually will get some internal rotation. If you want to get even extra, just bring your foot out to the side a little bit and then try to work back. That will be tough in this position, so I'd recommend just leaving it straight, and that will work the internal rotation.
Okay.
Let me check.